Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Claudius here back with another video, and in today's video, oh my god you guys, I have the absolute tea for you guys. This is the best video editing software. This is the best video editing mobile app for Reels, Instagram Reels, as well as for YouTube Shorts, even for TikTok at this point. This is the best, and if you've not hopped up on this train, oh my god, what are you doing? Why are you still here? As I mentioned this app, just swipe, leave this place, go. I don't care, like, just leave and go and download it. Then come back and continue watching this video for more in-depth and more information that you're going to need in order for you to actually go ahead and, you know, start making those snatched reels and the snatched YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos as well. This was created for Reels. This was created for TikTok. Please, nobody can tell me otherwise at this point, because if you background noise. Okay. So the name of this app that I'm going to be talking about here today is CapCut. You guys as I've mentioned this, as a wise person, do you know what's supposed to happen? You know what you're supposed to do? You're meant to leave this video. Just leave this video. I gotta download it. So once it's downloaded, son, if you have finished downloading it, now come back and watch the video, because that's just the wise thing. So you not forget, okay? Because YouTube, you're just scrolling, you see a random video, you watch it, leave, you do this, do that. Download it, leave my video. I'm telling you to leave my video. You know how serious it is. Leave my video, go and download it, come back and continue watching this video. Okay, so at this point, I feel like you've been wise enough to go and download it, or if you had it before, just decorating your you're mad. You must be mad. Decorating, just staying there, carrying dust in your phone. Then you can revive it, you know, let it rise up from the dead, just to guess. So now we're going to go into the video, and I'm going to be showing you everything that you can use CapCut to do on your mobile phone, and you can start creating Reels and TikTok and YouTube Shorts right away. Okay, so what CapCut does is that it has amazing features. It has the regular features that most YouTube and most video editors
how will I explain this? Hello, how will I explain this?
Apps have, but it has extra. Yes, more. And you know the funny thing about this CapCut, let me tell you guys, like, I keep on laughing and joking with my brother about this. I'm always like, are these people spicy? Because they don't have watermark. That's what I'm telling you guys to run. If you know me, you know that I hate watermark on videos. Like, I don't like it. Like, why will you have water? It's first of all, it's not professional. Second of all, it's not professional. Third of all, it's not professional. Why will you have watermark on your videos? Why must we know the video editing that you're using? It's not necessary, okay? So on CapCut, what happens is that the watermark is at the ending. It's at the ending part. And apart from the fact that it's at the ending part, another thing about this app is that you can now delete the watermark. It's like the in-depth of this situation. There's watermark, case closed. But the watermark is not, no, this annoying app where the watermark is on the video. So you can't remove it, you can't do anything, it's just there. So, but this one is at the ending. That even if they did not give us the option of deleting the watermark at the ending, we can still go to another video editing app, and go ahead and edit it and remove that ending part. But they now even still give us the option of removing the CapCut at the end. I'm sure you guys are seeing that over here. I'm showing you guys already. They gave us that option. What other other giveaway do you guys want? What other bonus? Because no, I'm not really me. I don't understand why they gave us this kind of bonus, but they gave us anyway. So let's just move, okay? About this app is that it has songs, and you guys will be like, what's the point of this having songs? The point is that it has songs. It has make sense songs, beats, everything that you need if you're a YouTuber or even if you're a Reels kind of person or whatever. It has songs, only like a lot of songs, a lot of make sense songs, and not just the regular random rubbish songs that everybody knows, everybody has used in their videos 150 times. No, they are unique songs, they have amazing songs. Apart from that, you can do the green screen thing. I can remove this background that I am right now in. I think I'm even going to do it. I think I'm going to do it. Yeah. I can remove the background that I am right in. This background that you guys are seeing. I can remove it. I can remove it and change it and go maybe to the White House or to President Buhari's house or whichever house or whatever background that I want to have. I can do that with this app, green screen. I can max. Do you know what that means? If you guys want me to go in depth, but if you already know what all these things are, then fine. But if you want me to go in depth, then tell me in the comment section so that I have an in-depth video done for you guys. So what happens is I can max, meaning I can remove, let's say part of the video I don't want this lamp showing here, I can remove the lamp. Or I don't want this picture frame showing here, I can remove the picture frame. Do you know what that means? Another cool feature that it has is the filters, and it is not just the regular. See, I'm shouting on the top of my voice because you guys need to know this kind of app. As I see this kind of app, I had to jump on it. I was even late to jump on the train, but once I jumped, I'm never going back. I'm not going anywhere. I stayed there, except they show me a better app. Then yes, I moved. But like for now, I'm staying wherever that app takes me to at this point. Okay, the filters are amazing. I'm sure you guys are seeing the change of filters. I'm showing you guys right now. Filters 100% amazing. Okay, another thing I like about this app is drum rolls, you guys. I mentioned sound already, but now effects, sound effects. They have 101 plus sound effects, a lot of sound effects, you guys. So you guys are hearing. Apart from the sound effect that it has, is that you can do so many other things. We have video effects. You can make your background blur. You know how you see all these YouTubers and you see their background really blur because of the kind of fancy camera that they use. You can use that and change it and use it in your own app. You can do that. You can make yourself tiny. Can you guys see? No, in fact, leave here. Come here. Can you guys see? You can make yourself tiny. You can do this. You can do what I'm doing. You can remove the background. Like if I want to remove this background and it is black, you can do that. There are so many amazing features, so many amazing unique features on CapCut. This is an amazing thing that I want you guys to jump on right now. If you've not heard of CapCut, definitely do want to download it at this point and check out the cool features that it has for you. So at this point, it's now left for you to actually go ahead and check out the app, check what you can do, check out the new features, check out the things that you can, tweak a little with the app, and thank me later because this app is amazing. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, please do well to tell me whatever video whatever video idea that you guys have for me. If I can do it, I will. If I can't, I'll make that known to you and I'll tell you guys as well. So till then, please subscribe to my channel, also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time that I upload a video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.